what we got this morning here, guys. We got a call for this keg cooler running warm down the basement here. What I have, you can see I've already started melting some, but we got a coil that's frozen solid here. So what I'm doing, I just got my pump sprayer filled with hot water. First thing I gotta do, this thing's broken, but it still works. The end's missing though, just defrost all the ice away. What I'm gonna do, get rid of the ice so we can read our proper pressures and see what's going on from here and try to figure out why this thing froze. Alright, so first thing I'm noticing, guys, you can see these fins. A bunch of them are bent over. They've been hit and damaged. I'm going to straighten those out. That's restricting airflow. How this works is there's two fans on either end of this coil. And they pull the air through this and then blow out the sides on either end. So you feel it's pulling air, but it's restricted. So we're going to at least start with that and then go from there. So how I'm going to do it, I'm just going to take my screwdriver. You guys can see it, just kind of go down each one of these individually, pull them out, you know, straighten them out better. That's how I'm going to do it, but I need two hands to do it. Alright, so I kind of fixed those fins up better. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was, so you can feel the air's moving a little better through this now. So I'm going to get this started up, we'll check our pressures, see what those are at, go from there. So what I'm doing now, guys, I'm just running my leak detector in here. See if I pick up anything. This thing is a little low. I'm Freon's running about a 10-12 pound back pressure. We want to be up around 20 or so. Not picking up anything inside here, but I'm getting something here around that Schrader port. So I gotta tighten up that port. I'll put a new valve stem in it. Very, very slow leak. Cap wasn't on tight when I got here either. So I'm gonna tighten up that stem or install a new one. Figure that out and then just add a little gas to this thing. Alright guys, so I tightened that up. We're not getting any more leaks now. So looking good. Like I said, just gonna top this off and that should do it. Alright boys, just a little quick one there for you guys. Sorry I didn't get the end of that, but all I had to do, I had to put, the thing only held 4.5 ounces of 134A Freon, so I had to add an ounce to that. I had my back pressure going about 15, 17 PSI, about a 160, 165 head pressure on that. I was running go, we were cycling a temp when I was done. The other cause that I think froze that too is, I mean, we were getting some restricted airflow. We were low on gas. It was obviously never reaching temp and constantly running. But also in that basement, extremely humid. And I know those doors, you really had to push them tight to get them to shut. I know the people actually even told me there that the doors get left open on that and everything. And that air just sucking that warm air right into that coil. So when they run like that and never shut off, it's just going to keep going, guys, and freeze it up. So that's it. That was an old case too, so they've, you know, just get them going, whatever, it's fine. But so that was it for that one. A little short video. Figured you guys may want to see that. So very easy with the leak there. A lot of times it's either the evaporators are porous in cases like that, or you got a Schrader port leaking. It's not much to them, you know. So, but other than that, guys, that's it. So Sunday afternoon, relaxing out on the deck here. Sitting out in the heat, I don't know why, but I'd rather be outside than inside right now, so that's it. I don't know, but thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate everything again, and I'll catch you boys in the next one.